Costco Anywhere Visa Card by CD 2022 Detailed Review. Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Costco Anywhere Visa credit card. The CD Costco Anywhere Visa card can earn you cash back on your Costco purchases if you have a Costco membership. Even better, the card offers bonus cash back on a variety of purchases, giving you plenty of opportunities to maximize your rewards. I will give you all the information you need to decide if this card is worth keeping in your wallet. Costco memberships provide far more value than the annual fee for both families and small businesses. In this economy, the ability to buy large quantities of items at once while saving money is especially valuable. Costco Warehouse Club is distinct in that it does not accept all credit cards. Costco does not accept MasterCard or American Express in-store, so you must use a Visa. The Costco Anywhere Visa Card by CD is offered by Costco in collaboration with Citibank. If you spend a lot of time or money at your local Costco, the CD Costco credit card could be for you. CD's Costco Anywhere Visa card can be a top-tier cashback credit card on its own. The card is ideal for both Costco purchases and everyday spending. A credit score of 720 or higher is required to apply for the CD Costco Anywhere Visa card. This credit card is for people who have excellent credit. You must also be a Costco member and provide your membership number when submitting your application. Pros: use the Costco Anywhere Visa card as your Costco membership ID. High rewards rates in bonus categories. Up to 4% cash back. This card's cashback rates are excellent, on par with the best credit cards. You'll get 4% back on all eligible gas purchases, up to a $7,000 annual spending limit. Costco gas stations are included in this. You'll also get 3% cash back on restaurant and travel purchases, which includes Costco travel. Other eligible Costco or Costco.com purchases earn 2% cash back. You will receive 1% back on all other eligible purchases. If you spend a lot of money on gas and groceries, this card's cashback rates will be ideal for you. There is no annual fee with this card. To be fair, a Costco membership does come with an annual fee. If you're applying for a Costco credit card, you're probably already a member. This card effectively replaces your Costco membership card if you get it. No foreign transaction fees. The Costco Anywhere Visa card by CD does not charge a foreign transaction fee if you travel outside of the country. This card is a good travel credit card because it earns bonus cash back at restaurants and on travel purchases. Purchase protection against damage and theft is included with this card, and it covers the costs of refunds or repairs on eligible claims. Except for New York residents, who get 90 days of purchase protection, coverage lasts for 120 days after the purchase date. Cons: requires an active Costco membership. Rewards can only be cashed out at Costco via an annual certificate. Certificate expires at year-end. Rewards on Costco purchases. One minor flaw with this card's cashback rates is that it only gives you 2% back when you shop at Costco or Costco.com. Costco's credit card falls short of some store credit cards that offer 3% or more back at their respective brands. There is no sign-up bonus with this card, so if you're looking for one, look elsewhere. No 0% introductory APR. 0% intro APR offers can help you save money on large purchases that will take some time to pay off. Once again, the CD Costco Anywhere Visa card does not provide this benefit. One cash back payment per year. The most frustrating aspect of this card is the antiquated method for getting your money back. Costco will send you your cash back from the previous year after the close of your February billing statement. Most cardholders will receive a reward certificate, but CD and Costco may opt for a different method for cash back amounts exceeding $10,000. Costco members can earn 4% cash back on eligible gas for the first $7,000 per year, and then 1% thereafter, 3% cash back on restaurants and eligible travel purchases, 2% cash back on all other purchases from Costco and Costco.com, and 1% cash back on all other purchases when they use the CD Costco Anywhere Visa card. Gas stations that Visa classifies as a gas station are defined as eligible gas by CD and Costco. Certain non-qualifying purchases, according to the rewards program terms. For gas purchased at superstores, supermarkets, convenience stores, and warehouse clubs other than Costco, you will only receive 1% cash back, not 4%, or for fuel used for non-automobile purposes. That means you'll only get 1% cash back if you go to a gas station that Visa classifies as a convenience store. The Costco card gives you more money back at restaurants and on eligible travel. Airfare, car rentals, cruise lines, Costco travel purchases, hotels, and travel agencies are among the travel purchases that will earn extra cash back. Timeshares, campgrounds, bed and breakfasts, trains, and other commuter transportations are all ineligible for additional cash back. The same principle applies to restaurants. Bakeries, restaurants, and cafes inside department stores, grocery stores, and other warehouse clubs pay only 1%. The CD Costco Visa card will earn you 2% back on your Costco and Costco.com purchases. The card will also receive 1% cash back on all other purchases that do not fall into one of the aforementioned categories. The cost of redeeming your rewards is a major disadvantage of the Costco Anywhere Visa. You have until December 31 to redeem your cash rewards earnings from the previous year after receiving your February billing statement. If you earned cash back in 2021, for example, you could redeem it between March and December 2022. Your earnings will be sent to you in the form of a certificate that you can redeem at any Costco location. The card is automatically canceled if you cancel your Costco membership. This means you'll lose your cashback rewards, so think about it before canceling your Costco membership or your Costco Visa. The main disadvantage is that you can only redeem your rewards once a year. The majority of people will benefit from taking their earnings as soon as possible so that they can put them to work. If you close the card or cancel your Costco membership before the annual reward certificate is issued, you risk losing those benefits. The Costco Anywhere Visa card is ideal for Costco members who have been members for a long time. If you already have a Costco Gold Star Executive membership, you should get this card to maximize your cashback. This wraps up my review of the Costco Anywhere Visa credit card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through to the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.